Okay, so everybody keeps asking what products in my wholesale warehouse sell fast. The top 5 products in the warehouse that we have trouble keeping in stock because they keep selling. And of course, all of the products are available at wesply.com. Okay guys, so listen, this is what we're gonna do. I'm going to walk you through 5 products that are really high selling, and again, let you guys know how much they are. And again, you can get these at wesply.com. Now, I want to make this very clear. Getting products is not something that is hard, but it also isn't something a lot of people know they can get, right? I've been fortunate to be able to go to so many warehouses, be able to talk to so many distributors, and also succeed in different ways, but also fail, right? So I know the products to get, the products not to get, the products to sell, the products to leave alone. But again, you're going to have to really take a deep dive into what you're trying to do. If you're a customer that is trying to just be a consumer reselling to other consumers, you're going to buy more on emotion. But if you're a wholesaler or you're somebody trying to buy products to be able to sell to consumers, it's a difference. Are you a reseller that's thinking with a reseller mindset, or a reseller thinking with the business wholesale mindset? So what that has to do, and what the difference is a consumer to consumer is going to try and sell things they like to the people that they think resonate with them. Person that is going to be selling as a regular wholesale reseller like myself, I want to sell with selling, right? So we're definitely going to look at the AirPod Max headphones, the AirPod Max Gen 2 clone. We're going to be talking about the RGB cables. We're going to also be talking about the MagSafes, the 3-in-1 charging pad. That's a really good seller as well. And then lastly, what we can talk about is a mystery product that, again, you guys definitely want to be able to get. And it's a bunch of these different types and variances that you guys can actually start looking into. Now, again, stay for the entire video, and I'll make sure that I break down exactly how I list these on eBay, so you guys can do the same thing, literally copy and paste, so you guys can succeed. I want you guys to watch my videos and start being able to take a process from it, not just watching it, right? Because again, this is all material, like it's physical. This is not, hey guys, this is how we go into Ross, or how we go into TJ Maxx and we look on clearance and it might be there. These products are here. These products are in stock, and of course you can get these products now. That's the difference, is being able to get these products now versus just hopefully being able to get them. That's a huge difference, and you guys need to be able to tell, because you have to be able to source these products on a consistent basis so that you can be able to fulfill orders for your customers. So that's something I learned. And another thing that I learned, guys, is being able to pivot. Toys was never something I really like to sell. Like, I've never really sold toys consistently. But toys are selling really well, especially during Q4. So I got to take advantage of it. But not something that I was always able to take advantage of, right? So it's just a difference in understanding how to pivot with products. And I might not like chargers or RGB cables, but I'm still going to sell them if they're selling. So it's all about doing your research, making sure you can obtain the proper knowledge so you could actually make the money. That's what this channel is about, you actually making money. It's not about fluff. It's not about giving you a system that worked for me but not you. I will give you guys the foundation that I utilize so you can put it into the proper way that you can maintain and manage it for yourself. So let's go look at these products and see exactly which products are selling. So these AirPod Max clones, so this is what I call them. And the reason I call them that is because it doesn't have any Apple logo. These $27 wholesale, you can get 6, 12, or 4. And I think that these really sell well, not because of the fact that they are the replicas inside of a box that doesn't have any Apple logo, but because people love products that look similar to the product that costs a bunch of money that they don't want to spend money on, right? These cost $250 retail when you're talking about regular AirPod Max headphones. But you're able to get these and source these to customers that will pay about $90 to $130 per pair, and you're able to pocket that. It's only $27 that it costs you, okay? So that is a really, really good price, and you can utilize that for you to be able to make more money. And that's something that I love. And as you guys see, there's a bunch of different colors. Now, if I was to tell you the color that I liked, of course, the color that sells really well for me with any product would always be the black, okay? And again, these are really good headphones. And you gotta realize, guys, the real reps, the ones with the Apple logos, they don't feel any different than these ones, and also don't have any different functions. Okay, so next we're going to be talking about the 3-in-1 MagSafe or magnetic wireless charger. This is a really good charging pad. You can go and take this through TSA, This is actually travel safe, which people are loving. And as you see, it does the phone, it does the Apple Watch, and it also does the power, it powers the AirPods. You can put it in different ways, but I like this little diagram or this graphic because it tells you exactly how you can utilize the product. And this is something that is really, really perfect for any type of reseller. This is reselling anywhere between $15 to $20 online. Now, you can get this for $10.50 wholesale, and that's a benefit as well. You're able to maximize your profit, but of course, be able to get products like this that are going to be small, compact. You can get more, and you can be able to store them, or you can literally save on shipping regardless because you don't need a big package like you would probably for the AirPod Maxes if you were selling them, you know, by a bundle. So I usually bundle these and they sell really, really well.
Right, next is going to be the AirPods, and just showing you guys, this is how they come. But when you dig deep down, okay, see, this is how we get them through customs. So if you are an international buyer, this is how we get them through customs for you. But this is exactly how they come. This has no logo on it. These are literally one of the cheapest AirPods you can get for the best quality. So these are going to be $14 wholesale. You can resell these for $60 to $90 online right now. No Apple logo. And of course, guys, you can open them up and you see, literally, these are just like the regular reps, okay? These are the regular reps, okay? These is no different. It's no different. Very great quality, and something you can definitely take advantage of, okay? You just have to really be willing to stop being scared and just start profiting, bro. I'm telling you right now, you can make bread. I had somebody call me.
Okay, so the next product that I love to resell is going to be these. So these right here are the RGB breathing lightning cables. This is the Type-C to lightning. I love this product. This product is really, really good. And again, $6 wholesale. But again, this is something you can literally resell online. I love these cables. These cables are really durable and they're fast charging, and I love them. I am somebody that is a big fan of the packaging. I love like the black packaging with the information on the back, but I like it because it actually sticks out when you put it on the slate wall. And this is slate wall if you guys don't know, but you put it on the wall, you literally can see this from far away. This is a really good charger. And if you guys don't know, this is something you literally can kill in the game right now. This is selling really well on eBay. You can resell this anywhere between $14 to $17.50 online. Yes, that is a lot of money for a charging cable. Or you can sell it as little as $9 to like $10.50 if you're just starting out. But again, that's a benefit. Okay, so Labubu dials. So this is the last one, and there's so many different type of Labubu dials, but again, these sell really well. And again, you can get these literally. We have a resellers kits full of Labubu dials now. I don't know if you guys see it, but we have a whole kit full of these, but you can get these for as little as $9, okay? We got the stitch ones, we got the regular ones, we got different type of versions that you literally can start to get now. And this is a high trending product, okay? Now, I can't even specify how much I love selling these because I don't really understand why they sell so fast, but they sell really, really good, and they're great quality. You know what I mean? Very, very good quality. So this is something you can definitely take advantage of. And again, you can resell this for $22 to $30 to $40, depending on which one you buy. And of course, if you look at the packaging, right? So looking at the packaging is beautiful. Packaging is sealed, okay? This is a really good product. Now, you can sell this at pop-up shops. You can sell this anywhere, and they will sell, promise you. I sold these. I had an employee sell some workout gear, and he took these to LA Fitness, and he was able to sell these too. So these sell really well. It's just literally about positioning them and putting it in front of the right customer. Okay, guys, so I am back in the house. I was able to literally put it to where I was able to show you guys while also doing my work that I needed to get done while I was there. I'm very happy of that. If you guys don't know, you are able to get all of these products at wesply.com. One of the biggest things that I will say though is I love, and I will repeat and repeat and repeat, I love being able to give you guys a platform that I didn't have and I never had a website like this. We have the Labubu reseller kit right here, which you'll see me talking about more and more. But there is a website where, yes, you could be any type of reseller. You can learn and you can shop, but we're going to be talking about shopping, excuse me. You guys can get trending products, chargers, $10 and under, resellers kits. You can build your own box. You know, you can do so much. And I think that I'm going to refrain from going too much in depth into the site because I do that in a lot of videos. I really want to just talk about the fact that, you know, I gave you 5 products, but that warehouse has thousands. And I want to give you guys a really good picture. Thousands of products, but not all of those products sell right now. Some of those products are going to sell better towards Christmas. Some of the products we're gearing towards getting like seasonal, heaters, things of that nature, because we're trying to get ahead of the curve. And I just emphasize you guys to do the same. And as long as you do, I'm telling you right now, you're going to be successful. All right. I'm not going to talk your ear off, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.